Amazing opportunity to own this lovely home in an amazing location, near shopping and dining, and just minutes from Deer Jump Reservation and the Merrimack River. This sought-after 4-bedroom features a wonderful first-level floor plan with gleaming hardwood floors and a lovely wood-burning fireplace in the family room. Updated kitchen with newer granite countertops, a lovely center island, and stainless steel appliances. The charming sunroom offers tons of beautiful natural light for enjoying the summer sun and electric heat for those snowy winter days. Head upstairs to your spacious master suite with ensuite bath, as well as 2 additional bedrooms, an office, and a full double vanity bath. The finished 3rd level offers a large sitting game room and a 4th bedroom. The finished lower level makes a perfect playroom or additional family/entertaining space.